Comparison. So I went back and forth. In the yard like this way, and it was 27 times with the 21 inch and 21 times with a 25 inch. I didn't count anything this way. I only counted this way. Okay. So I got 16 with the 21 inch, about 16 minutes, because I remember. And I thought that was pretty good. I didn't realize how much this thing actually sped up my time. And then it did 9 minutes, and it only took 21 passes to mow that backyard. So I just didn't think that it made that much of a difference. I mean, you wouldn't think that 27 versus 21 times would make, almost double the time. But I think turning it around and then mowing all the stuff to the side, because there's some side stuff that you can't really see on screen that you have to go and mow. I just didn't think that accounted for that much time. But the YBravo 25 just overall is a time saver. And so you got 9 minutes on a backyard, and 12 minutes total, 12 almost 13 minutes with a with an edge around the back, because it took me like almost 4 minutes to edge the back. So so having that YBravo, if you're going to buy one, the 25, go and take it and get it tuned up by someone. Just look at the footage, and it's pretty interesting.